Hello, you lovely lot. Today, I want to talk to all of you who feel like your workday never ends, and your to-do list just keeps growing. If you're like most people, you probably spend hours at your desk, barely moving, and by the end of the day, you're left feeling drained and wondering where all your energy went. Sound familiar? Are you stuck at your desk, feeling sluggish and thinking you just don't have time to get fit? I get it. The modern workplace can be relentless, and it's easy to feel like there's simply no room in your schedule for self-care or exercise. The deadlines are endless, emails keep coming, and the gym feels impossible. You might even feel guilty for taking a break, thinking you should be working instead. But here's the thing, your health is just as important as your work. But what if you could boost your energy and health, right at your desk? Imagine feeling more alert, focused, and positive throughout your workday, all without ever leaving your workspace. Getting healthy isn't about huge changes or hours at the gym, it's about making small, sustainable choices that fit into your busy life. You don't need to overhaul your entire routine overnight. It's about small, smart tweaks to your daily routine. Maybe it's standing up to stretch every hour, swapping out a sugary snack for a piece of fruit, or taking a few deep breaths to reset your mind. Find little pockets of time and use them for your body and mind. Even a 2-minute stretch or a quick walk around the office can make a big difference in how you feel and perform. Imagine swapping that afternoon biscuit for a quick desk exercise or a snack that fuels your brain. These tiny changes add up, helping you feel more energized, focused, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. SlimSync is here to help you turn your workspace into a wellness zone. We'll show you how to make your office a place where healthy habits are easy and enjoyable, not a chore. No gym membership needed. Your journey to a healthier you starts now, right at your desk. Let's get started. Remember, every small step counts, and together, we'll make wellness a natural part of your workday. So, what is SlimSync? Think of it as your personal wellness companion for the workday. A plan, a guide, and a supportive community all rolled into one. Designed specifically for busy professionals like you. Whether you're at your desk, in a meeting, or on the go, SlimSync is there to help you make healthier choices, every step of the way. We understand how easy it is for your health to take a back seat when deadlines are looming and your calendar is packed. Between meetings, emails, and endless to-do lists, it's common to feel overwhelmed and let wellness slip through the cracks. That's why SlimSync is designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine. No complicated regimes, no drastic changes, just simple, practical steps you can actually stick to, even on your busiest days. Imagine turning your workspace into a hub for healthy habits. With SlimSync, you'll discover easy desk exercises to keep you moving, quick and nutritious snack ideas to fuel your energy, and hydration reminders to keep you refreshed throughout the day. It's all about making health accessible and achievable, no matter how packed your schedule is. You don't need a gym membership or hours of free time, just a willingness to make small changes where you can. The philosophy behind SlimSync is simple. Small, consistent efforts repeated day after day lead to big, lasting results. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Move a little more by taking the stairs or stretching at your desk, choose smarter snacks that nourish your body, and remember to drink more water. These tiny habits, when added up, can transform your energy, focus, and overall well-being. SlimSync acts as your coach and toolkit, offering encouragement, tips, and resources to keep you motivated and on track. You'll never feel alone on your wellness journey because SlimSync is always there to support you. You don't need to overhaul your entire life to see results, just the right strategies, a little support, and a community that understands your challenges. With SlimSync, you get both the tools and the encouragement you need to succeed right at your fingertips. So let's make your workday work for your health, one small, positive step at a time. Let's get moving. Our first exercise, the seated overhead press. Grab a full water bottle, heavy book, or ream of paper. Sit tall, feet flat, core engaged. Hold your weight at ear level, elbow bent, palm forward. Exhale and press straight up, extending your arm overhead. Hold for a second, then lower back to start. That's 1 rep. Aim for 10, 12 per arm. Switch sides, repeat. Do 2. 3 sets if you're up for it. If it's too easy, use something heavier. Too hard, do fewer reps. This wakes up your muscles and breaks up the sitting routine. Try it now. Feel the difference. Time to work those legs. 2 quick moves, standing calf raises and chair squats. For calf raises, stand behind your chair, hold for support, feet hip-width apart. Rise onto the balls of your feet, squeeze calves, hold, then lower. Do 15-20 reps, next chair squats. Stand in front of your chair, feet shoulder-width, arms out. Lower as if sitting, tap the chair, then stand back up. Don't rest, squeeze glutes at the top. Control the movement to protect your knees. Aim for 10-15 reps. These 2 moves give your lower body a quick, energizing workout. Just a few minutes and you'll feel the burn. Add them to your day for a real energy boost. Get squatting. Let's release that desk tension with shoulder rolls and band pulls. For shoulder rolls, sit or stand tall, arms relaxed. Inhale, lift shoulders to ears. Exhale, roll them back and down. Do 10 rolls backward, then 10 forward. Feel the tension melt away. Next, band pull-aparts. Grab a resistance band, hold at shoulder width, arms straight at chest height. Pull the band apart, squeezing shoulder blades together. Hold, then return with control. No band, mimic the motion. Do 10-15 reps. These moves fight desk slouch and boost posture. Your back and shoulders will thank you. Try them now. Let's talk smart snacks. Ditch the sugary crash. Try a Greek yogurt parfait. Greek yogurt is packed with protein to keep you full and focused. Choose plain yogurt to avoid added sugars. Add a layer of berries, fresh or frozen, for antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Berries add natural sweetness and color. Layer yogurt and berries in a glass or jar. Top with chopped nuts or seeds for healthy fats and crunch. This snack takes 2 minutes to make and powers you through the afternoon. It's delicious, satisfying, and good for your brain. No more energy crashes. Fuel up and stay productive. Try it for your next snack break. You'll love it. Not a yogurt fan? Try veggie sticks with hummus. Prep colorful veggies, carrots, cucumber, peppers, celery, for crunch and nutrients. Pair with hummus for plant-based protein and fiber. This combo keeps energy steady and cravings at bay. Or go sweet rice cakes with almond butter and banana. Spread almond butter on a rice cake, top with banana slices. Almond butter gives healthy fats and protein. Banana adds potassium and natural sweetness. These snacks are quick, balanced, and keep you focused. Mix and match for variety. Prep ahead for grab-and-go convenience. 3 snacks ready in minutes to power your workday. Healthy snacking made easy. Give them a try. Hydration time. Feeling foggy at 3 p.m.? You might be dehydrated. Water is key for energy and focus, but plain water can get boring. Jazz it up with natural infusions. Lemon, lime, mint, berries, or cucumber. Fill a big bottle in the morning and keep it on your desk. Flavored water makes you want to drink more. No sugary drinks needed. Every cell in your body needs water to work well. Hydration means better concentration, fewer headaches, and more energy. Make it a habit, sip all day. Simple, effective, and game-changing. Drink up and feel the difference. That's it. Desk exercises, healthy snacks, hydration. These are simple, practical steps that can make a real difference in your workday. You don't need to overhaul your entire routine overnight. Instead, focus on making small, manageable changes that fit easily into your daily schedule. Even the tiniest adjustment, like standing up to stretch or swapping out a sugary snack for something healthier, can have a big impact over time. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Don't try to do everything at once. Just pick one thing and start today. Maybe it's drinking an extra glass of water or taking a short walk during your break. Write it down, make a checklist, and give yourself credit for every step you take. Each small action is a building block for a healthier lifestyle. Maybe try the overhead press with water bottles, or pack some veggie sticks for your snack. These little choices are easy to fit into your day, and they add up quickly. You might be surprised at how much better you feel after just a week of small changes. Celebrate every small win. They add up to big changes. Did you stretch today? Did you choose a healthy snack? Give yourself a pat on the back. Every positive choice is worth celebrating, no matter how minor it may seem. Small actions become habits, and habits create lasting results. The more you repeat these healthy choices, the more natural they'll feel. Over time, what once felt like an effort will become second nature. Don't wait for the perfect time. The best time is now. There's no need to wait for a new week or a new month. Start with what you have, right where you are, and take that first step. Stand up, do a few squats, or fill your water bottle. These quick actions can boost your energy and help you refocus, even on the busiest days. Every step counts toward a healthier, happier you. When you make these small changes, you're not just improving your physical health, you're also boosting your mood and productivity. You deserve to feel energized and focused at work. Imagine how much more you can accomplish when you feel your best, both mentally and physically. And you're not alone. Join the SlimSync community for support and tips. Connect with others who are on the same journey, share your experiences and learn from their successes. Share your wins, get inspired, and stay motivated. When you see others making progress, it can encourage you to keep going, even on tough days. Click the link and join us. Let's make healthy habits part of your workday. Together we can support each other, celebrate our progress, and create lasting change. Let's do this together.